You ready to learn how to make some healthy, homemade chocolate Easter eggs? I hope the answer is yes, because if you say no to wanting to make anything with chocolate, you're crazy. All right, check this out. What's up, guys? It's Marissa here, mom and founder of Noble Baby Wellness. I created this delicious Easter egg chocolate recipe to give to my son during the Easter holidays. I love Easter. I love the fact that it's a holiday that's revolved around eating chocolate. But my problem is there's so much garbage chocolate out there that's made by Nestle. Don't even get me started on Nestle. I think they are a disgusting, horrific company with nasty, disgusting ethics. There's Cadbury that has so much flavor additives, color additives, food coloring. Like, no, thank you. And I don't want my son to consume that. So I wanted to be able to give him something that he can enjoy and still make memories around Easter and Easter egg hunts and finding chocolate, because that's the point of parenting, is making things memorable. So I wanted to do that just for him and just for you parents out there who are also conscious of their health and their little one's health. So, sorry, my arm's like shaking because I lifted some weight. So my arm's just like, Marissa, just stop it. Okay, check out the video. Pure maple syrup. Last but not least, chocolate. Now you can definitely mix this with a spoon, or you can mix it with your hands. It depends on what you want to do. I want to add about a quarter cup of those crunchy puff cereal. You're also more than welcome to add some hemp seeds in there if you want, some shredded coconut. It depends on what your little one likes and what you like. All right, so we're gonna stick this in the fridge for about a half an hour to an hour, just so it gets, so it solidifies a little bit better, and then we can manipulate it to make egg shapes. So this is the perfect consistency it is right now. So you're gonna want to get a little tablespoon and scoop it. Perfect size. Don't want to make it too big, too small. And once we have scooped these and shaped them into eggs, we're gonna want to throw them in the freezer, preferably overnight, just because they can really freeze well. Because when we melt the chocolate and pour it over them, we want the eggs to stay in shape and not melt along with the chocolate. So it's really good to keep them in the freezer overnight, just to make sure they're truly frozen. But keep in mind, you can keep these in, or you can put these into any kind of shape that you like. It doesn't necessarily have to be an Easter egg. It could be, if you're really fancy, you can make like a rabbit, or honestly, I don't even know how to make a freaking rabbit, but you can make a heart. You can do this for any occasion, any holiday, just to swap out those commercial brands of chocolate that are high in high fructose corn syrup, sugar, flavor additives, color additives. I want you guys to know that after I dipped the Easter eggs in chocolate, I brought them down here super fast so they wouldn't melt, and poured the rest of the chocolate on top of them, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Alright guys, that's it for the recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try it, because I'm about to go eat the whole batch that I made. Sorry, babe. But, so, gonna enjoy that. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Loving the outdoors and enjoying quality time with your family. See ya.